Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change your hair color into a cherry cola color on TikTok. So if you want to get this filter where your hair basically turns into a cherry cola color, then let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor, so go ahead and download this from your App Store or your Play Store. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit that profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as that cherry cola filter will appear right here in the video section. For now, I'll just go ahead and use it from my favorites. So this is the video you're going to use. Tap on Capcut, try this template. This will show you the template. Tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut. Show you the template again. Tap Use Template again. Go ahead and select a picture where you want to change your color of your hair. Tap Next. And now let Capcut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it some time. Once the effect has been applied, you can see a preview of it. Once you're happy, tap Export here at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will now export that video into TikTok. You can now go ahead and tap on Next, add your captions, edit your cover page, and then go ahead and post this to TikTok. Now for those of you who are trying to find this filter, go ahead and open up TikTok and navigate to Test the Simple Dad profile page. Now here, you'll see that cola hair filter. Go ahead and tap on this and then go ahead and tap on Try this template, Capcut, and then go ahead and follow the rest of this video. So there you go guys, that is how to get the cherry cola filter on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.